So this job was a complete deck rebuild. It was 90 meters square in total, front and back. And I was originally asked to replace the decking boards, but quickly found out that the frame also needed replacing. And in addition to that, a bearer under the house was split and it needed replacing as well. And then installed all new bearers and joists and then the timber decking boards. And I finished this job a few weeks ago, but I just came back to install some external skirting and give it 2 coats of oils. And I'm happy to say my part in this deck restoration is now complete, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.